instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the Showglower podium. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is begin to connect the bars to the bottom of our display. So using the numbers on the bottom, and the base will be the piece that has the lights connected to it. We're just going to match the numbers on the bars to the numbers on our base, and then using the screw, just screw into place. And we're just going to tighten it into place. And I'm going to repeat these exact same steps for all my bottom bars. Once you have all the bars connected to the bottom of your display, you're going to repeat the exact same steps for the top of the display. So I'm just going to use the bars and match the numbers and screw into place. Now that we have all of our bars connected to either the bottom or top of the display, we're going to connect the top to the bottom. But first we want to identify the front of our podium. So the front of the podium on the base will have the lights facing forward. And then the front of the top of our base will have the clips open towards the front, because that is where the lights will attach into. So with the light clips facing forward, we're just going to slide the poles into each other. So I'm just going to align the poles and fully slide them in. Now that I have the top fully slid on, I'm ready to attach the lights. So I'm just going to grab the top portion of the lights, and then you're just going to slide the lights into the clips on the top of the podium. Now that I have my lights slid on, I'm ready to attach my graphic. So to attach the graphic, I'm just going to slide it over the top of my display. As you're sliding the graphic over, you want to make sure that the zipper is in the back of the display. Once I have my graphic completely slid on, I'm just going to use the SEGs on the graphic and push it into the channel on the bottom of my display. So I'm going to start on the bottom and just push in the gaskets. And you're just going to continue to work around your display. Now that I have the bottom portion of my graphic fully attached, I'm going to attach the top. And you're going to repeat the exact same steps by pressing the SEGs into the channels on the side of the display. And I'm just going to work around my display. Once you have your graphic attached, we're ready to connect the power adapter. So I'm simply going to connect the one end of the power adapter to the back of my display. And then I'm just going to plug it into a standard outlet. And it's just that easy to set up your Showglower podium.